In this video I will show you how you can mirror or flip your live camera video recording in native Android application using CameraX and Media3 effect. So let's get started. Now firstly, before I show you the entire code base, one quick thing, I have created one Kotlin class, and here we have applying three three separate methods. I'll come back to the implementation later on. So one is horizontal flip, one is vertical flip, and last one is flipping both horizontally and vertically. So firstly I'll show you this horizontal flip. So here you can see on the right hand side I'm mirroring my device. So first I'll give the camera permission, then I'll give the record audio permission as well, and here you can see it has flipped it horizontally. So hopefully you can see it. I'll just click on the start button. So yeah, I will just move it. It has flipped it horizontally, and if I want I can click on the stop button as well. So whatever video has been recorded has been stored to external storage, so you can go to your files app and play this particular video recording as well. So as you can see over here, so I'll just close this. If you want to use vertical effect, so here you just need to use create vertical flip effect. Okay, I'll just run this, and flipping it on both sides, you just have to replace it with create this particular method, create flip both effect. You can try that on your own. I'm not going to show you guys that output as well. So our application is building. In the meantime, I'm not using Jetpack Compose, I'm using XML layout, and the reason being Jetpack Compose APIs for CameraX and Media3 effect are still a bit unstable, at least at the time of me recording this video. Maybe in the future I might make a video on that, but currently they are very difficult to deal with, and it is very how should I say, it's not very intuitive. I think they will refine those APIs in the coming years. That's why I'm still using XML layout. So here you can see I have flipped it vertically. So again, I'm not sure how to prove it to you, but trust me, it has flipped vertically. I will just click on the start button as well. So yeah, that's it. I can click on stop, and the video has been recorded to external storage. So now let's see how to achieve this via code. So first I have created an, like I said, Android project using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Then first inside Android manifest.xml, you need to provide the uses feature of Android hardware camera, camera permission, record audio permission, as well as write external storage permission. Then inside build.gradle, I have added this dependency: camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera video, camera view, Media3 effect, as well as libs Media3 effect. Now given that I am using version catalog, the actual version number has been written inside libs.versions.toml. So here you can see we have this camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle dependency, and here I have added this Media3 effect. This is still in alpha at the time of me recording it, so if it does become stable, make sure you use the stable version, and there is this Media3 effect version as well. Then here we have added this camera lifecycle, then this camera 2, camera core, camera view, and camera video dependency. And let's just scroll down, and here we are using Android X Media3 effect as well as Media3 effect. So yeah, that's all we have used. Then make sure you click on the sync now button to download all the dependencies. Then you need to go to res layout activity underscore main, and here you can see I have taken this camera preview view. So I'm passing the width and height as 0 dp, and we are constraining it to all sides of the screen. Then at the bottom we have a button where the text is start, and I have given it some ID as well, and the elevation is 2 dp, and we are constraining it to the bottom of the screen. Then here I have taken another Kotlin file called matrix transformation factory. So firstly, these are all the imports. Now here I have created it as an object so that we can kind of like a static in Java, and here I have defined three methods. First one is create horizontal flip effect, and here you can see I'm using matrix transformation, and I'm just changing the scale of x-axis as -1f. For vertical, same thing, but here we are changing the y-axis as -1f, and for flipping on both sides we are changing both as -1f. Okay, then you just need to create this matrix transformation. Okay, sorry, we have already done this. Then we just need to go to main activity, and firstly these are all the imports, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Okay, then here we have this video capture recorder. Here is our recording. Then there is this camera executor service. Here we initialize our viewfinder preview view, camera preview view. Here is our button. This activity launcher is for getting the camera permissions as well as the write external storage and record audio permissions. So here we are requesting multiple permissions. If permission is not granted, we just make this variable as false, and we display a toast message. Else we just start camera once permission is given. Then inside on create, we initialize our viewfinder, we initialize our button. If all permissions are granted, we call start camera, else we call request permission. Then on click of the button, we call capture video. So inside capture video, we get hold of our video capture. Then button dot is enabled is equal to false. Then here we get hold of our current recording, and if current recording is not equal to null, we stop our recording, we make it as null. Then here we have this simple date format where we get the file name format local.us, and here we format system.currenttime millis. Then here we initialize content value by passing the display name mime type, and if Android version greater than p, we also set the relative path. Then here we use this media store output option by passing the content resolver as well as external content URI, and here we pass content values as well. Then here we initialize our recording, okay, and then we start the recording over here as well. And if the event is video record event.start, then we just change the text of our button as well as is enabled to true. And once the video is finished recording, we get hold of the message, display it inside a toast message, we stop our recording, make it as null, and here we just change the text as well as is unable to true. Then here we call the start camera method. So first here we get hold of our process camera provider, we add a listener to it, then we initialize our preview view, we initialize our recorder as well, then we initialize our video capture. Then here we get hold of our default back camera. Then inside use case group dot builder, we add the preview use case as well as video capture. Then we initialize the Media3 effect. Then here we set the effect by passing matrix transformation. So here you can pass either create horizontal flip or vertical effect. And then we do Media3 effect dot use case group builder, we unbind our camera provider, we bind it to the life cycle, and finally we just call, we have this method called for requesting permissions, and another helpful method for checking whether all permissions was granted or not. Then inside on destroy, we just shut down our camera executor. Then here we have different variables called file name format, and here we pass required permissions of camera as well as record audio. And if Android version is less than equal to p, we also set the right external storage permission. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.